All right, Mr. President ategeddeko waliwo olukwe n'enteekateeka emuwamba
ng'ayita ku mikutu gye yagimugatta abantu Bobi Wine alazeeho okutya nti essaawa yonna bamukwata. Ono agamba nti afunye insights oba afunye ate amawulire ageesigika okuviira mu nsonda za security imbu baagala okuba nga bamukwata bakole ekyaliwo mu 2020. Kakati ebigambo abiwandiise mu nnyanyimbe ngenda bikutemeratemeramu mpolampola era alabudde bannayuganda. Agamba nti mu ngeri eyo nga bamaze okuba nga bankwata bagenda kukwata bannayuganda nabo okubasiba okubabuzaawo n'ebintu ebirala bingi nnyo nnyini. Bobi Wine ayongeddeko n'agamba nti ebyaddala kyannaku era agambye nti enteekateeka za bano aziguddemu kati sookuleesa Damaani Makabe. Awo maaso waliwo engeri gy'ayingidde mu Mbale ekibuga kisanyaladde amasannyalaze mangi mu Mbale wetwogerera.
Yes, all right, Mr. President ategeddeko waliwo olukwe n'enteekateeka emuwamba nga tunabagenda mu kulonda. Eyo ye breaking news eriwo tambuza video eyo ye security alert okuva mu commander 001 akugambye mu nkuwo za security bateekateeka kumuwamba basobole okuteekawo embeera yaliwo mu 2020 mugijjukira. Abantu balwitaliye tenga bamuwambi basobole okuttirako abantu bakole masaka eyaliwo mu 2020 mugijjukira. Nakugamba nti bateekateeka n'okufuna abavubuka abakozi b'effujja bamenyi b'amateeka bambalenga bwe twambala. Uliriza bulungi nga utambuza video bambalenga bwe twambala nga bayisanga bwe tweyisa nenga bazze kukola fujjo na kumenya bintu by'abantu kutema abantu na byonna bibiri basobole okukitwambaza ntuli bamenyi b'amateeka. Tetuli bamenyi b'amateeka. Fulaga tujikota under the law, tugenda londa kalukafe under the law, tugenda kakuma under the law, tukabanja under the law. Tetuli bamenyi b'amateeka, tubere vigilant. Era kugambe nga agenda eMbale leero nti eMbale bateseteseyo omusajja omukozi w'effujjo mu komanda baye bravo. Baga batandika okutizinga abantu bandiko basosonkereza abantu barako bakolamu effujjo n'abayiba bwe baleese basobola okukwatira ko abaana baffe ba soldiers nti bakoze effujjo eMbale. Mpulirize bulungi wakati nga tugenda mu protest vote bali mu kola nteekateeka zitusigamu katengoneera. Ekyamakulu kye tulina ekyamanyi Roba Kyagonyi Sentamu oyo kutufiira oyo Kyagonyi Sentamu. Ate tulina omulonda ekyo kye bagamba tulina okumala tebanya tudivertinga tukola mu ffujjo. Okategera bulungi benna bisoboka baso musiba baso muwamba no mutta tusigale ku mulamwa ogweggwa kubanga tuwa ideology effina gye tukwalinga. Ideology gye tuliko si personality. Tulina kabiti kamuka Kyagonyi Sentamu 1 tulina mukuma nga mulamu fena nga bana Uganda. 2 tulina mulonda tulina muteka mbuyinza. All right, kati gwa bitegedde gamba nti honorable Asadaman Makebe kanzire
Man guy imirira ku bintu nga bya ddala like he cares. And I know why personally I would vote Bobi Wine for president is because first of all before Bobi Wine got anayingira politics, Bobi Wine used to sing about political issues. He would sing about social issues. Obwekitegeera ng'ayogera nnyo ku bintu ebitukwatako ng'abantu. Ennyimba ze tezaali just za vibe. Obwekitegeera, it was never just about vibe. And I think it's very important to also look at things like that. And for me personally, he's someone I believe in, you know. Yeah, he's someone I believe in. And I wish him only the best. And what I would want to tell everyone that supports Bobi Wine, make sure you vote. Totula waka oba okitegeera ogambe nti owagira omuntu nga ne tolina ky'okozeewo. olina okubaako kyokolawo oba okitegeera. Someone is telling me I should not engage in politics. That can never happen. Yes, I will always engage in politics. Yes, and I will not take any advice from someone online. I think everyone should engage in politics, whether you are DP, whether you are NRM, whatever you are. Watch together. It doesn't matter. You choose your side. I have nothing against you. If you support NRM, if you support DP, if you support NUP, like me, everyone has a choice. And I think everyone should choose what they think works for them. But the most important thing is to vote. And I totally understand people who say don't engage in that. It shows your level of common sense. And you're exposing yourself, because I feel like every Ugandan should care to vote. Because when you vote people, you're not just voting a human being, you're voting policies. You're voting what they stand for. And Uganda is yours. So wotuulaawo n'ogamba tebyandikutteko, oba lwakuba oli muyimbi, oba lwakuba oli mulimi, oba lwakuba oli muzimbi. Like, politics affects all of us. It affects all of us. So make sure you vote. It's wise and prudent for you to vote. Very, very important.
We've been waiting for
related female adult to age 49 years, from Nyakole Kalkai, a lawyer, and a resident of Chiwango, Munsi village, Ekili parish, Kumasa County, Mukono district. The statement of the offense is under for obtaining or displacing personal data, compared to section 35, clause 1, 2, the Data Protection and Privacy Act, Cap 97. Sarah Lutete and others still at large, related as that between the month of January 2025 and December 2025 at various places within Uganda, including Kampala, Mukono, and Wakiso districts, you unlawfully obtain or disclose data to its national voters information, control or processed by the Electoral Commission without prior consent of the said Electoral Commission. Have you understood the offense?
We've been waiting for court. Finally, the illegality was now coming to conclusion and they bring her to court. But I want to tell you for the first time now, in my heart, I'm regretting why I fought for women to be set free. Go and sit in a court and be a judge or a magistrate, and you judge like the way I've seen. I've never seen this. Now, here was the case. I don't even understand the charge. I don't even know the complainant. No wonder the public prosecution did not have anything to say. No wonder. The DPP, is in that DPP? Yes. They are supposed to be the prosecutors. But the case they are bringing forward is that our Sarah revealed information for electoral commission or something without without the consent. So now question is, who is the complainant in this case? And now when we came to apply for the bail, we applied and gave everything, and we have distinguished, sureties, and everything was available. And the prosecutor stand up, he doesn't object. She didn't object to bail. And she's also a woman, Banange. These young women. She didn't object to bail. And then what happens? The magistrate says, no, I'm not giving bail to you until 21st January. You know what that means? Sarah has been arrested to be shut down in a prison until elections. It was very clear, isn't that so? Nobody objected to granting of the bail. If I'm in a court seated there to judge justly and fairly, and somebody applies for bail, and the one who is accusing does not say, I object to the grant of this bail. Now me as a judge, how do I rule and reject the grant of bail? I've been telling you the systems are shut down. I've been telling you just, and I looked at this cigar, I stood there. I wanted her to see my face. She never opened her eyes up to see me. I don't know what I would have done if she looked at me. Maybe I would have been arrested in this court, because I would have said, very silly, you have no right to sit and judge, because